Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this XXL large ice bath tub for athletes. It's a portable ice bath tub for cold water therapy after your workout. It's a cold tub, ice bath, cold plunge tub for outdoor or for indoor, for a gym, for the garden, for the yard, with 126-gallon capacity by Tech. The ice bath tub here with a dimension of 35.4 to 35.4 to 29.5 inches and a capacity of 126 gallons, that are 477 liters, is spacious enough for us to sit in rather than crouching. It's suitable for people up to 6.7 inches, different from other 6 supported pillars. This cold plunge butt tub features an 8 reinforced support pillars, ergonomically designed to enhance stability, greater capacity and stability for us to enjoy the ice bath at ease without feeling cramped. This portable cold bath tub for ice or for standard water or for warm water too, for home, is made with a high quality polyester, nylon and PVC of outer layer and pearl cotton with a waterproof coating of the inner layer. 5 layers of structure for 95% effective insulation. It's wear-resisting, leak-proof and durable material for a long time sustainability. This portable bath tub can be used for both, for cold water and of course for hot water in summer and winter time. Fully submerge ourselves. This ice-soaking tub provides a refreshing cold plunge ice bath that helps reduce the muscle soreness and inflammation, relieve stress, boost immunity, and accelerate recovery. Then we will feel invigorated, more energy, and we can sleep better. The ice plunge tub package, including a carrying bag and with a lid, with repair patches and an air pump. The cold tub for ice bath is easy to set up, as you can see, within minutes, and lightweight to carry with small volume. We enjoy the benefits of a cold plunge wherever we are. We have experience at home, at the gym, at the camping, like an SPA, without the hassle of installing a traditional bathtub, and it doesn't take up a ton of space. And a large ice bath built-in water faucet allows for effortless water draining. The smooth material is easy to maintain, cleanless, and the included cover can prevent bugs and leaves from falling into the ice bath tub. Whenever we are athletes, wellness enthusiasts, or workers, this ice bath tub will help us to develop a healthier lifestyle of post-workout recovery and stress relief. XXL ice bath tub, wear-resisting, leak-proof, 5-layer insulating, and high-strength supports of 8. A large size, and it's easy to assemble. It comes with a protective lid, and we can use it indoor or we can use it outdoor. Are we ready to challenge ourselves? We take the cold plunge, but also a therapy. Everything is included what you need for it, except water, of course. The ice bath tub with the LED or LID cover, the air pump, the support pillars, 16 connected into 8, a pillar connector, storage bag, a drain pipe, a drain valve, 2 repair patches, and a big bunch of possibility. relieve pain, inflammations, and swelling. We boost our immunity. We relieve stress and anxiety. We recover the muscle trench. Cold water therapy. Easy peasy, as you can see. We connect the two pillars into one. Finally, we get 8 pillars. We enter the pillars spherical and inwards. We inflate the top supporting ring by using the air pump. We make sure that the drain valve is closed and the ceiling is attached. We fill the water and ice into the tap. And after this, we can enjoy our ice bath. Really easy peasy. That's possible with this AC Tech XXL large ice bath tap for athletes and for all the other guys out there which needs a refreshing time in your new bathtub for outdoor and for indoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.